Alright, so today I'll be making a very aromatic and flavorful version of jasmine rice that I've been experimenting with for a few days now, and I wanted to show that to you guys right now. So I've got my little 1 quart pot here, and what I'm going to do is add 2 cups of water. I don't like to use tap water, I like to use bottled water. Turn on the stove. 1 tablespoon of butter, some salt, a new ingredient called Advieh Polo. It's a rice seasoning which consists of cinnamon, cumin, cardamom, ginger, cloves, and rosebud flowers. It's called Advieh Polo, rice seasoning. Rose water. Before I add the rose water, I like to give it a nice sniff. Okay. Now I'm ready to add the rose water. Just add a little bit. Take a clove of garlic and grate it. And then just add 1 cup of jasmine rice. Mix it up a little bit. This big plate allows it to come to a boil much faster. Once it comes to a boil, I like to transfer it to this smaller plate over here and let it cook on a very low heat, or the lowest heat possible, for about 20 minutes. And it's boiling now, so I'm going to transfer it right here. 20 minutes. And there you have it, aromatic jasmine rice infused with rose water.